So Christmas time is officially here. Okay, I declare it. Everyone's starting their holiday videos on YouTube, and I'm so excited to show you guys my Christmas wish list. I have literally over 100 ideas for you guys. The first thing on my Christmas wish list is an iPad Pro. My sister has one, an iPad Pro with a pen. I have Procreate on my phone. With an iPad Pro, you can do so much, but my main purpose for wanting an iPad is to do little doodles on my videos. Then I have Nike Blazers. These shoes have been pretty trending. I see them on Pinterest all the time. The iPhone 12 is a good idea. I think I'm gonna get the iPhone 11 soon. I don't really want to pay that much for the iPhone 12, but okay, a Casetify or a Wildflower case is such a good option for a Christmas gift. I have a Casetify case. This isn't even sponsored, but I just love their cases so much and they're so protective. The next item I put on my list is a powder acrylic nail kit. I really want to get to know how to do my nails myself, and it can be really affordable if you do it by yourself. Lululemon sports bras are a great option. I love them so much. You could ask for a disposable camera or a film camera. The whole film effect looks so cute. A vlog camera. I use the Canon G7X and the Canon M50. I would recommend that you ask for the Canon G7X just because it is so small. It fits in your pocket. If you want to start a YouTube channel, if you want to do some school vlogs, a small camera like the G7X is perfect. You could get platform Doc Martens. Okay, I want these so bad. These were on my list last year, and I keep on telling myself that I'm gonna get them, but I just have not. But they literally look so cute. Here are some outfit pictures that people have paired together with them. You could ask for an AirPods case. I have some really cute AirPods cases, and they just add so much to your AirPods, and it really helps you be able to tell which AirPods are yours. A Tezza wall kit collage would be so cute. I was gonna get that, but I actually want to make a vision board with my own pictures, but there are so many cute kits. Throw pillows is a great option. Sephora skincare, just any brand, whatever brand is your favorite. A Glossier hoodie or just Glossier's merch, like their slides are super cute. You can ask for a Pandora ring if you're really into jewelry. Pandora rings are they're expensive, but not like a Cartier ring. You know what I mean? I think they're a good in between. If you're like into jewelry and you're that type of person that doesn't lose jewelry often, you can ask for an Apple Watch. I got an Apple Watch 2 summers ago. I love mine so much. I literally wear it every day. I'm just so used to having it on, and it's definitely super helpful. You can ask for a skateboard or a penny board. You can ask for Air Jordans. These have been super trending on Instagram, Pinterest. You can ask for a Bondi Boost Wave Wand. Okay, I see like all the influencers I follow being sponsored by Bondi Boost, and their waves and their hair look so nice. UGG slippers are cute. You can ask for LED lights, and you can ask for like the shaped ones, like the ones that have like a symbol on it. I really want black Converse for Christmas, or even platform black Converse. Like, I don't know if I could rock black Converse, but I think they look so cute on other people. A planner is an amazing option because the new year will be coming up right after Christmas. A set active workout set would be such a good Christmas present, especially with all the New Year's resolutions about working out. Having a cute workout set really makes it easy to do that. I really want a sweater vest. Yeah, sweater vests have been super in. You can get a Polaroid photo printer. This is super cool because you can take pictures that are on your phone and print them out, and they look like a Polaroid. You can like choose what you want to be printed out. If you're gonna ask for any type of jeans for Christmas, I definitely recommend asking for Levi's or Goldie jeans. I have a pair of Levi's and I wear them like at least twice a week. They just last so long. You can ask for Free People sweaters or just from different brands. I'm currently wearing my sister's sweater, but I really want more sweaters like this. I think they're so cute. You can ask for Princess Polly dresses. Princess Polly is the perfect place to go for dresses. They always have the cutest dresses. You can ask for a piercing. I really want my second piercing or even a third piercing, so I will definitely be asking for that. You can ask for mini bags, like the shoulder bags. I have a shoulder bag and I use it all the time. I love it. You should ask for booty resistance bands if you're into working out. I have these and they have like really helped me, you know, with building a booty. Self-help books is definitely something I'm going to be asking for. A leather blazer or leather jacket would be really cute. This is really into like the fall winter fashion. Fuzzy blankets are a great option, especially just like a teen girl gift idea if you want to get a friend a fuzzy blanket. It's not super expensive, but it's something that they can like cuddle with every night. Custom Air Force Ones. There are a ton of Instagram pages that will make you custom Air Force Ones. It's just a really good way to spice up a basic shoe. A mini fridge would be such a great Christmas gift, or even a skincare fridge. There are certain skincare like masks that need to be refrigerated. You can ask for beanies. Beanies are definitely going to be really in this winter as it's getting colder. I live in Massachusetts, so it snows here. A Nike vintage crew neck. You can ask for Sephora collection makeup brushes. I got Sephora Decor's makeup brushes sent to me, and I'm really grateful for it. Or you can even ask for makeup palettes too. A squishmallow stuffed animal. I like didn't know what that was, but once I figured out what it was, like these are so cute. Drew House hoodies. So Drew House hoodies are from Justin Bieber's clothing brand. If you're a big Bieber fan, you should definitely ask for that. Hair clips is an amazing thing to have on your wish list. I have some hair clips that I like to use. I wear them like all the time. A ukulele or guitar is something great to ask for so you can get into a new hobby. The 47th item is a circle mirror for your room. When I was redoing my room, I got a circle mirror from Target. It is so cute. There's just something about a circle mirror. For Christmas, I really want essential oils and a diffuser for it. I think that idea is so cool, having some lavender in your room, really finding a way to relax. And I'm into like meditation and journaling, so just doing all that with like oils, kind of a vibe. You can ask for a Hydro Flask or a Yeti cup. I'm going to be asking for a Yeti tumbler. I don't really have any cups that I would put my iced coffee in. You can ask for a Nintendo Switch, tie-dye hoodies, tie-dye like hoodie sets with sweatpants, Lush gift sets. I feel like that's just an annual thing, you know? Emma Chamberlain coffee. Recently, I've been really getting into Emma Chamberlain's content. I've been listening to her podcast, and I really want to try her coffee. You can even get her planner. A pearl necklace with a charm. On some jewelry websites, I've seen these pearl necklaces with a charm. I think they're so pretty and they look so elegant. Framed artwork is a great thing to ask for. I know Urban Outfitters sells some and they look super cute. You can ask for coffee table books, a fuzzy purse, a fuzzy sweater blanket. Like, I know Urban Outfitters sells those. A yoga mat. I really want a Lululemon yoga mat, just a plain black one or a plain blue one. Because I just work out a lot, so I feel like it'd be a good investment, even though it's a bit more pricey. Going along with the workout theme, dumbbells. You can get sunglasses, an Aritzia puffer winter coat. I know this is very specific, but I recently got Aritzia's like puffer coat and I love it so much. You can ask for Bath & Body Works hand soap. Winter Candy Apple is like my favorite Christmas scent. You can ask for a Function of Beauty or Curology like membership. Function of Beauty makes custom hair products and Curology makes custom skincare products. I'm going to be asking for Brandy Melville tank tops. I love all my tank tops that I wear from Brandy. Seriously, I'm always, you know, putting them through the wash. A Lani Edge lip mask. Lani Edge, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but a lip mask. Brandy sweatpants. Okay, I like feel bad for promoting Brandy, but I seriously just genuinely wear their sweats and their tank tops all the time. YouTuber merch. I don't have any merch right now, but some YouTubers have really cute merch that you could definitely ask for. You could ask for a nice perfume. The Daisy Love perfume is definitely gonna be on my wish list. For room decor, you can ask for a poster. Blue light glasses will actually change your life. Go ask for those. I wear mine every single day and it literally makes my eyes feel so much better. You can ask for a journaling Bible, a journal, a tile tracker, which helps you keep track of your items, a bed canopy. I really want to set one up. I might do that this week, actually. I'm gonna just quickly go through some of these. An electrical toothbrush, a movie projector, a hanging chair, food gift cards. That is just great to get for friends because then you guys can go like out to Chick-fil-A together with the gift card that you got them. Beanbag, workout shoes or running shoes, a pajama set. I really want a Christmas pajama set like from Target. The Grande MD lash serum. This lash serum has really helped me grow my eyelashes, especially having short Asian lashes. This has been so helpful to me. You can get an Alexa, ask for Glossier lip glosses. The 5-minute daily journal is something that I really want. You can just reflect on your day. A white away suitcase for traveling. I would love that. I'm actually going to LA in January, which I'm very excited about. So I might have to cop that suitcase. You can get stationery like zebra midliners, LED lights, colored contacts, headbands, Lightroom presets. A lot of YouTubers have their own filtering presets and it'll definitely make editing your pictures more fun. A jewelry organizer. I have one over there. It just hangs all my jewelry. I love it so much and I will be linking everything, all the products I mentioned in this video in the description. Final Cut Pro. If you want to start a YouTube channel, Final Cut Pro will be super helpful and you can even ask for like a MacBook, you know, go along with this. I mean, it is an investment. You could ask for a manicure. You could ask for a tripod. You can ask for bikinis from Triangle. I feel like bikinis will be on sale. My heater is turning on, so I'm gonna quickly go through the rest. A Princess Polly gift card, a gold chain necklace, and getting your hair dyed / done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one.